Hi, this is in my Everything, Everywhere, Anytime little studio. This is 14 days or 2 weeks after my total shoulder replacement. Tomorrow I'm going to take the webbing off and look at the actual scar. It'll be like taking off the beast to look at the beauty underneath. And I am going to be going to town. Hopefully I won't have too many problems getting down the road. It's been drizzling. I don't really like going down when it's wet. Sometimes it's a slip and slidey thing. But if it's okay and I get to town, I'm going to get my mail, get some more milk, because we have another atmospheric river coming in here, which means I'm not going to be able to get across the loose road again. You've seen plenty of that on my videos. And so that's kind of what my plan is, to get out to Fallbrook and get my mail, and then get back to the farm, and then spend 3 days in hibernation while another atmospheric river goes through. Hopefully I'll find something to video. I think maybe I'm going to go through my seeds and get some stuff ready, because today is the first day of spring. But it doesn't look like it out there. It's really drizzly and dreary. But it has a clearing coming in for an hour and a half or 2 hours. That's my window to get out of here and get back, because when it starts, I may not be able to get back up. I have to take it on foot to get back up here and leave my car at the bottom of the hill. I don't like to do that. So, in any case, that's enough for now. We'll talk to you a little later. Well, I am hoping that I'll be able to get down the hill without slipping and sliding. I have about a window of an hour and a half. It's a little misty right now, but there's a storm front coming in, so I'm hoping to get to town and back before it gets too much more than what it is right now. Otherwise, I have a problem getting up and down that dirt road. So I'm going to go through the farm, down to the gate, and then out, across the loose road, to town and back. And nobody's working out here today because it's raining. And I'm taking my little Kia, and we're on our way. Ain't gonna happen. Oh no. I am in big trouble here. We'll be walking up the hill. That's for sure. Shout out to my favorite postal place, Go In Postal. I've been with them for several years, and they take care of all my packages in the mail when I come into town. When I go back home, I I get text messages when they're here and everything. It's really cool. But anyway, oh, that wasn't a good thing coming out. I got to get some milk and a few things from the store, and then we're going to head back home. And it's windy and starting to drizzle again, and I know I'm going to have to walk up the hill. I can't drive up there. So we'll see what happens. Almost there. I am going to get my parts, but I don't know what the heck I'm going to do about it because I won't be able to work on my car when this car is going to be down the hill. Okay, so what does that mean? What? I'm literally sliding, just walking. And I can see I'm not the only pair of footprints that have been walking up this hill. And I guarantee you, this is not easy. Okay. Made it all the way back. And this guy had a blast playing in the water and the mud and stuff. And I'm on the way back down the hill. I'm gonna go a different route than I did coming up. I think it'll be an easier route. Got my backpack on, we'll put my stuff on there and we'll come on back. And I think we just might make it before the rain really gets started. I had to take some clothes off because it's about a quarter mile straight uphill from here to here from where we're gonna go. So going downhill is gonna be kind of quick, but coming back up, I will get hot. So I'm wearing clothes that'll kind of keep me cool for the next half hour. See you down there. That didn't work. I'm gonna go in and look at what the forecast says. If we get another break. Now I gotta dry off. Soaking wet. I'm hot because it was a straight uphill climb. I'm sweaty. And I'm gonna get a chill if I don't get everything off. I get dried off before I make attempt two to go get my groceries. This time maybe I'll bring an umbrella. That might help. No. You're not coming in right now. You're gonna go with me a little later. So you're used to the water. You love water. So you're gonna stay out here. We have about another 10 minutes of just a little stop in the rain. Then we've got an hour's worth of rain, and then I've got an hour's worth of break according to what I just saw on the news. And oh wow, I just can't wait to get spring cleaning in here. But anyway, we're not gonna go. Give me an hour, okay? Good. And we're gonna give a second attempt to go down there, this time with an umbrella, to get up my groceries and come back home before the real river comes in. We have just a couple minutes of a break in the rain, 20 minutes exactly, according to the weather forecast that I just took a look at, and then there's going to be a break. So I think between 1:30 and 2:30, I can take a run for it down to my car and get my groceries and come back in. They're all in a cooler, so they'll be cold. It's just milk, but they're all in a regular cooler, so they're not going to get warm. It's not really cold out here, but it's not hot at all. And I'm dried out now, so all I have to do is put on a better pair of boots, get an umbrella, and make a second attempt of another hour and a half. Okay, this is my second attempt. I have my keys. I have some waterproof boots on that are good for hiking, not traipsing around my garden. I got a dog ready for me to head on down the hill. I got to grab a stick, and we're going to go down a way that I know I can make less mud. And hopefully we'll get back before the rain. And I have an umbrella in my backpack. We'll see if this works. We made it. I don't know if I want to come back up that way. It's really slimy. A lot of oranges have the orange peels as opposed to banana peels. I may go back up the regular road and stay to the right and on. I don't know. It's a little soupy, so it's a little difficult. But I got good boots on, and if I can stay out of the thick mud and the less slick stuff, it goes down to rock. That's the problem, is it goes like down to hard stuff and then it just slides. It's not, you don't just stick in mud, you just go and slide. So it's a little harder to walk on. And I'm being real careful with my shoulder. You know, that's a good thing. It's getting regular normal therapy, I think, at this point. But I got my backpack ready to go. I'm going to pack it up. I'm going to go up there and I'll be there for a couple days. So about an hour from now, we're getting the rain. It's starting to drizzle again, so I'll get back just in time, I think. And I got my GoPro on, so I don't know what this is going to look like as well. So we'll edit that as well. That's it. There's one. She's eating another one. And there's one stashed there. And she gets fed every day. Really good food. So Sky's eating avocados. We're waiting for this atmospheric river to come in through. I'm finished for the day. Quite a bit of hiking up and down those hills with a gallon of milk on my back. We got it done. It's beautiful right now, so getting a little chilly. And that's going to be the end of my video today. So tomorrow, rainy. I don't know what I'm going to find to do tomorrow, but I'll find something. I think. We'll try.